Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp backup stuck. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. WhatsApp backups need a strong and stable connection. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you are already on Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn it back on. If the connection looks fine, the next step is to restart your phone. Restarting clears temporary system issues that can stop backups. Hold the power button and restart your device. After the phone turns back on, open WhatsApp again and check if the backup continues. If the backup is still stuck and you are using an Android phone, you should clear the WhatsApp cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then WhatsApp. Tap Storage and select Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data because that can remove your chats. After clearing the cache, open WhatsApp and try the backup again. Now make sure you have enough cloud storage space. WhatsApp needs free space to create a backup. Check your Google Drive storage. On iPhone, check your iCloud storage. If storage is low, delete unnecessary files, photos, or old backups. Make sure there is enough free space before trying again. If you follow these steps one by one, your WhatsApp backup should start working normally again. Thanks for watching.